What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to merge clips in CapCut, turning separate video segments into a single cohesive clip. This skill is essential for creating smooth, continuous video content, whether you're compiling highlights, stitching together a narrative, or just looking to streamline your video editing workflow. First things first, launch CapCut on your device. Once you're in, tap on Edit at the bottom left corner. Then select New Project. This is where you can start your editing journey by choosing the clips you wish to merge. If you haven't already, then grant CapCut the necessary permissions to access your media and browse through your gallery to select the clips you're planning to combine. Pick your clips and hit Add to bring them into your project timeline. Now, with your clips in a timeline, it's time to fine-tune them before merging. Select the first clip by tapping on it. You'll notice a vertical white line, which is your playhead, indicating the current position in the clip. Drag this line to trim the beginning or end of the clip, removing any unwanted parts. Repeat this process for the second clip or any additional clips you're working with, ensuring that only the content you want to include in your final video remains. CapCut might suggest adding a transition between your clips. While transitions can enhance the flow from one clip to another, they're not mandatory. If you choose to add one, tap on the transition icon between your clips and select from the variety of options CapCut offers. At this stage, your clips are effectively merged into a single timeline. CapCut offers a plethora of editing tools to enhance your newly merged clip further. Tap on Audio at the bottom left to add music or sound effects, enriching the auditory experience of your video. Likewise, tapping on Effects opens up a world of visual enhancements. Remember, the choice of effects and audio will significantly impact the mood and style of your video, so choose wisely. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to merging clips in CapCut, trimmed, transitioned and enhanced with audio and effects. This process not only simplifies your video, but also prepares it for sharing on social media or any other platform as a unified piece. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.